A UN report has once again revealed that the Syrian arm of the PKK terror group, known as the YPG, continues to recruit children. The YPG constitutes a majority of the Syrian Democratic Forces, a US partner in the coalition against ISIS. According to the report, there are 318 verified cases of child recruitment by the YPG and 99 by its all-women wing, the YPJ, under the umbrella of the US coalition partner, the SDF. The SDF and its affiliates were responsible for 35% of all verified child recruitment cases in Syria. The YPG and its umbrella, the SDF, continue to violate human rights despite signing a joint action plan with the UN to end child recruitment in June 2019. Turkey has repeatedly warned the international community of the danger posed to children by the PKK and its affiliates. In southeastern Turkey, many children have been kidnapped and forced into conscription by the terror group. The mothers of some of these children who have been abducted by the PKK hold a sit-in protest in front of HDP headquarters in Diyarbakir. The HDP is a political party with close links to the PKK, and their youth organization serves as a recruitment tool for the terror group. The pressure created by the protests of the mothers of Diyarbakir has resulted in more than 240 families reuniting with their children last year. Children are our future and must be protected from the clutches of terror groups. Turkey will continue its vigilant fight against PKK and all forms of terror.